Hey guys, this is Jess here at Summit RV. Today we're going to take a look at the Catalina that is behind me. It is a Catalina SBX. This is the brand new for 2019 291 BHS. It is a replacement floor plan for one of their other models, and it has a really cool bunk room. So we'll go check it out together, and I'll flip you around so you can see what I'm seeing. Everybody hold on tight. Okay guys, so this is the Coachmen Catalina SBX 291 BHS. This is a bunkhouse with an outside kitchen. On the outside here, as we go around, you're going to notice it has a power awning with an LED light strip. A front diamond plate here at the front to help avoid any paint chipping or anything like that. We have a cover on our 20-pound LP tanks. You get 2 of those. We have an extra large grab handle heading right in to the main entrance, so no more of those tiny little handles. We have the E-Coat Sports style wheels. These are going to hold up a little bit better. You're not going to be repainting these wheels like some other brands that you might see, and the fender skirt is aluminum, so that's going to hold up better to cracking or chipping, things like that. The tires are nitro filled, and that's going to help you with tire pressure. It's going to give you a smoother ride, and that tire pressure is not going to fluctuate quite as much as it would if you had air in those tires. Up here you can see we've got marine grade outside speakers, and that can be controlled from the sound system that is inside this RV. Okay, so this is a big outside kitchen. We have got a Coachmen grill right here. Pull up, show you. A nice little Coachmen grill. We have drawers. Silverware drawer. And then a storage drawer for bigger utensils. We have a really nice sized outdoor refrigerator. And then we have some cabinet storage up here as well. And we also have a little sink. And then there's plenty of countertop space to prep everything that you might need. Back here we've got a spare tire already installed, and we do have the Furrion pre-wiring plug and play. All you need is the monitor and the camera. We have black tank flush. That is a very uncommon feature on a entry-level model camper. The benefits of that is that you hook a hose to it and it's going to clean out your camper black tank really well in a nice, easy way that's not going to involve you having to touch anything that's covered in stuff that comes out of your black tank. You can see it's a single slide. And now we're going to head to the main entrance here, and we'll head inside. Okay, so the first thing you're going to see right across from the entrance door, we have a really nice couch. This makes a bed. It's a jackknife. It does have this center console that comes down that has cup holders. Very, very nice for when you're camping, if you're watching movies, and there's no end tables, so it gives you a place to put your drink. And as you can see, the kitchen is on the door side of the RV. And then we have a large U-shaped dinette next to the couch. This does have a 15K BTU air conditioner that is ducted. That is an upgrade. We do have an enclosed and heated underbelly that is an upgrade as well. We'll flip around here and check out the entertainment center. So you can put a TV right here. We've got storage underneath, and beside it you could use as a pantry. Here is your Furrion RV entertainment center. We've got speakers, and this is zoned for inside versus outside. Over here in the kitchen, you're going to see we've got kitchen sink covers. These are not cutting boards, but they do extend your countertop space, and you could easily put a cutting board on top of it. Storage underneath the cabinet. We have a Suburban range here with 3 burners and a super burner in the front, and then an oven. And then we've got a Greystone digital microwave, and then a Norcold 6 cubic foot refrigerator. So that's nice. And we're gonna head back towards the bathroom. Alright, so the bathroom's right here, about midship in this coach. And then we've got a nice bathtub with a shower and a skylight. A mirror with a medicine cabinet behind it, lots of counter space and storage underneath it, and then a foot pedal flush toilet. And then as we head to the bunk room right here, there are hanging space cabinets right here. And then right back here in the bunk room, you're gonna see we've got 2 bunks. One on this side with storage underneath it and a place to put a TV as well. And then we have another bunk on this side over top of a little 2-person table. And this bunk bed does raise up so you can easily sit at this table. All you have to do is raise this bunk bed up and latch it, and then you've got plenty of head space here to sit at this table, play games, hang out with your friends, etc. So now we're going to head back into the main living area. This is tongue and groove plywood flooring, 5/8 inch. It's going to be nice and last a long time. You take care of it. And then we're going to head right here into the bedroom. See a queen size bed with wardrobes on either side, shelf overhead, place to mount a TV. Right here by the doors where all your controls are going to be, your tank levels, etc. Power awning, slide out buttons, everything is going to be conveniently right here. Alright guys, so thanks for taking time to check out this video with me of the 291 BHS Catalina SBX. This is brand new for 2019. I think you're really going to love it. We are here Monday through Friday until 6 p.m. right now, and on Saturdays until 5, and that is year-round. So just give us a call if you have any questions at 606-928-6795, or just send us an email at sales@summitrv.com, or hop on our website, hit live chat, and we will be right with you. Thanks, everybody.